way too thick. Make the sticker. Oh, I love these. Okay, 17 decoration book. This one, the back. June, Hoshi, Minho, and Dino. JEONGHAN, Josh, Carrot Diary. Wow, Play with 17. And DK, Seungwan, Garrett, and Garrett. Love it so much so. Wow. Wow. This one is a diary, but how can I write in here? And if I write what I should write, no, I think I'm not gonna write it. What's this? Okay. Wow. 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 And the back. Wow. Yeah, so big. How can this come so big and heavy? It looks like something for wedding couples. Yeah. Wow, what do we have inside? Wow. Yeah, how come? Dicon, dispatch. Wow. What are you doing? Wow. Yeah, I love the color and this signatures of 17. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Yeah, this one, it looks like an exhibition. Oh my god, that's good. Yeah, can you see him? Here you are. If you stand any member is in any member in any group, you should buy this one. You never regret. Wow, nothing to say. I'm starting to speak. Yeah, but what this? Oh, you know, it's so stupid. If you see, you can cut it into two halves like this, but you need to put them in the same frame like this one, right? Wow, JEONGHAN. Wow, this beauty. Yeah, he's so gorgeous, handsome, lovely, cool. Every oh my god. Hey, can you see everything better if you just see this? Or just see this, right? But yeah, I think after filming the video, I will spend the whole day to enjoy the books, the photos, and I'm still trying now to speak about their beauty. Well, so because the picture are so big, so yeah, you can enjoy everything. Okay, this is the end of the unboxing video for Dicon JEONGHAN. If you like my video, give me a like or subscribe, and or let any comment at the comment section. Thank you so much and goodbye for now. See you later.